everyone, my name is Vaisha. I am studying in grade 1. Today I am presenting bird bath. A bird bath is a shallow dish filled with water, where birds can drink and clean themselves. Birds splash bath, drink water and cool off in the bird bath. Water keep drink birds cool and help them stay warm. Doing or desk. Thank you.